Hey everyone, need landing page copy that sells? Here's how to generate persuasive landing page text with any word in minutes. Let's get started. First, log in anyword.com and click the plus create content button and describe your landing page goal like product launch or sign up campaign. Then here, enter prompt for landing page like this example here. Write landing page text for a meal prep subscription targeting busy parents. Then here, you can now refine your prompt or edit it, then click Generate to see headline, subtext, and CTA suggestions. Adjust the tone or keywords until it finds or fits your brand voice. And that's it. That's how you create a high converting landing page text with Anyword AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.